The past few days of intense brainstorming have been incredibly productive, filled with insightful discussions, strategic planning, and sharing that will undoubtedly shape the face and future of Deep Tech Africa. We're able to remind ourselves of the importance of having a strategic plan, reviewed the implementation of the previous one. We carried out an organizational analysis that enabled us to identify strategic goals, inputs, outputs, outcomes, and impact for the elaboration of the new strategic plan 225-229. Discussions and brainstorming on sustainability measures for our network was part of the process and reflection. I am glad to say that we have collectively initiated the process of developing a roadmap and strategy that will guide our interventions in the next 5 years. Your engagement, thoughtful questions, and constructive feedback have been essential to the success of the workshop. The expertise and perspectives are truly invaluable. Thank you for believing in our collective vision and for being open to engaging with the proposed tools and methodology. We are convinced that the feedback we have gathered will enable us to define pathway for the empowerment of young people across Africa. The commitment, in-depth discussions, and creative ideas generated during group and plenary sessions are essential components for the entire process. We believe they are fundamental and constitute building blocks for the elaboration and implementation of the strategic plan 225 to 29. On this note, I would like to extend our special appreciation to the PTVETs for creating time to take part in this important workshop, to our distinguished partners and guests, particularly to Don Bosco Mondo, our major partner over the years, the various mission offices that supported this workshop: Don Bosco Mondo, Bonn, Missione Don Bosco Turin, Huguenot Vienna, and the Salesian Missions New Rochelle. We also appreciate the inputs of our friends from the public and private sectors. You would agree with me that it enriched the process of reflection. Additionally, I would like to express my immense gratitude to the organizing team and staff of Bosco Tech Africa for their exceptional work. We also appreciate the presence of Stephen. He has been a collaborator and a friend of our office. As we move forward, let us keep in mind the key points we have discussed over these enriching days. It is crucial that we continue to work collaboratively, stay focused on our goals, and execute our plans effectively. Let us remember that strategy without execution means nothing. Our collective efforts will be required once more to achieve the objectives that we will lay out in the DBTech Strategic and Sustainability Plan in the next 5 years. It is my dream and aspiration that we take the insights and decisions from this workshop and apply them in various provinces. Let's maintain the momentum and work together to turn our strategies into successful outcomes. May this workshop serve as a catalyst for further growth, innovation, and collaboration among DBTech TVET institutions across Africa and Madagascar. Finally, to our lay collaborators, you are not optional but necessary collaborators of the Salesian mission. The General Chapter of the Salesians, the General Chapter 24 of the Salesians, reflected on the topic Salesians and lay people, communion and sharing in the spirit and mission of Don Bosco, highlighting your role in the mission. You are not an afterthought, but the eye through which you can look at the vast movement of the Salesian work in the world. You are appreciated and you are needed. You were in the dream of Don Bosco. You are the backbone of the Salesian mission and well envisioned in our minds and the dreams of Don Bosco. Where we feel as Salesians, let your passion for young people, your commitment and shared determination sustain us. Thank you once again for your thoughtful participation and support. We look forward to seeing you at our future workshops and events.